Terry Lynn, Traveling Artista. I'm dancing with stardust. One question a lot of us ask ourselves is, how do we find our own personal voice, our unique way of self-expression? In this video, I'm going to offer 3 basic steps. There's many others, but let's try these. Number 1, learn the fundamentals. What are those fundamentals? This is where you build an internal library, a resource of tools and techniques that you can pick up and use and combine as you are creating. You want to learn basic drawing, 3-dimensional shapes, composition, color, shading. All of these are basic, fundamental elements of art. You want to take your time and watch others. Go ahead and check out a couple other videos. Go to some workshops, go to some plein air groups and talk to the other artists and watch how they approach things. Even if you try to do the same thing, yours is going to come out a little different. Now, this is not an instant thing. Give it some time. Give yourself some time and enjoy the process. Our number 2 step is, once you have that library of resources, go ahead and experiment, explore. Mix and match many of these different aspects. Try other media. Try other things like clay and sculpture or piano, or go out for a walk even and breathe deeply of the fresh air. Then employ some of those oblique strategies, those aspects that get us out of our comfort zone. For instance, paint with your other hand. Go ahead and blindly pick up a color and make that color the primary color in your painting. Find a picture that has very limited color scheme and use only those colors in your painting. There are so many different things we can do to push ourselves out of our comfort zone, and that will expand our creative process. Now, the number 3 aspect of finding our voice is take any of these elements and combine them together and let them flow. Pick out some of your favorite ones. Try one that you didn't like at all and try working with that. You will stand on the foundation of these basic fundamentals, and those are your resources. Then you can trust yourself and the creative spirit to flow through you and express yourself in your unique voice. Dance with this, play with it, enjoy it, revel in it. Then try it again. Switch up something a little different and do it again. Remember, it's all about the process, not the product. It's nice to have a nice painting at the end, but the most joyous thing is that act and that experience of creating. It's the process. Now, to help you along with some of these things, I'm creating a new series of videos that are going to be shorter. They're very succinct, maybe 5 or 10 minutes at the most, and you can pick and choose the aspects that you want to focus on. So I have different playlists like basic drawing, color theory, painting. Check out those, whichever one you're looking for. Then put them together. Go to my channel right here. Remember, please subscribe. That will help you find me again. And click the little bell down here. That will give you a notification of when I upload new videos. And then you can decide if you want to check that one out or not. These are shorter, they're quicker, and they should be able to help you. Now, another thing is, go to my website, TravelingArtista.com. Get my newsletter, check my blog, anything there. Email me. Give me any questions, any ideas, and I can help share some of your ideas with other artists, and we can all grow and expand. Again, even if we try to do the same thing, each one, because of our personality and our own experiences, are going to come out different, and that's our unique voice. I also offer workshops. So if your society, your group is looking for someone, please contact me. I love to travel, hence TravelingArtista.com. And I do speak 3 languages, so I can go into some places that others can't. Hablo español y je parle français. I've also taught many different levels, many different age groups, and a lot of different media over 35 years. So I'm experienced. Plus, I love it. I love helping others to grow and expand their own voices and their own art experience. So thank you for listening. Do check out the playlists. Remember to subscribe and get notification. And you can be dancing with stardust yourself.